Yeah. Okay, we're doing digital circuits, and we're in chapter 5, and we're doing problems. Okay, so I'm looking at 5.1, and what do I have to do? 5.1. So I have 5.1a.
The Boolean equation.
I want to write the Boolean equation. Okay. So I have two OR gates, and they come into an AND gate, and I have a W, A, B, C. I've got A or B. I've got a C or D. I have W is A or B, C or D. Put parentheses around it, and I'm done. I can write that differently, but that'd be a waste of time. B. I've got A, B, C. I've got an AND gate. I've got another AND gate. I've got an OR gate. I've got an X. I got A, B here. I got B, C there. A, B, or B, C. Does it say I have to? No, I don't have to simplify it. Not part of what we have to do, so we're not gonna. C. A, B, C. I have. I got an AND. I got an OR. I got another AND. And I got a Y.
Do you know when you're gonna have the last week, the other week's video?
It's already up
This
there.
This video on.
Yes, Tuesday's video's there already.
No, this video, it'll be up there on the weekend, right?
If I get it, right now they're giving it to me before I go home today. So I could do it at home or I could do it someplace else. Y is what? A, B, and B, or B and C. Yeah. And I don't have to equal anything because I don't have to simplify yet. Yeah, I could. You want me to simplify it? A, let's see, B, A or 1, C, B, C. There we go. I simplified it. But not required because we're not there yet. We'll have others that we have to simplify. Delta. A, B, C, D. I've got an AND gate. I've got an OR gate. I got a 3-input OR. And I got my D coming out to an AND. And I've got a Z. Okay, so I got a 4-0 for my drawing. A, B, B or C, A, B or B or C. Z would be
Isn't there also a B coming in the middle there?
or B. There we go. Okay, gotcha. A, B or C or B or and D. And that could be simplified too, but we're not gonna.
Hold on a second on that one, Doug, please. I'm checking what I've got.
1,000. Okay, 1 second. There it is. 1,000. Moving on.
AB plus B plus BC times quantity times B. Okay, got it.
All right. So you happy with that? 5.2. Refer to gray water reclamation tank in 5.7. Write the Boolean equation to implement a red light turns on. Okay, so 5-2A. A red light turns on if there is a high on C and end pressure
That's an and.
when the level is full. All right, so the red light comes on. I have to be full. I got to have the pressure guy on. I got to have the high opacity or whatever it is on. All right, so B.
Well, you gotta draw You gotta finish it.
Wait a minute.
Draw the diagram.
Draw the logic diagram. Oh, okay.
Just CP, you have to do it for an and part.
1, 2, 3, C, P, F, boom, boom, R. All right, was that better?
Thank you.
Read the instructions, is that what you're trying to tell me? Turn on the green light. Okay, so the green light's going to come on when opacity is high and pressure is on. When the level is full, M or F.
Yep.
All right, so that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to go C, P, M, F. And we'll put an OR gate there. And we'll have those guys going into an AND. Green light coming on. Charlie.
Can you go back for a second?
You really ought to say something cool, like 5 seconds or something like that, because I might take you at your word here. Good enough?
I had an extra and in there for the CP, and then I connected the and with the or to another and.
You could do
Is that
that.
too much?
No, you could do that. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, perfectly okay. That's associative, whatever, law. Hey, Charlie, turn on the blue light. Blue light, look at it, I'm not even blue. When the tank is full and any sensor of pH, opacity, or pressure is high. All right, so H or C or P. All right, so I'm going to go in B, H, C, P, or, and B, because this is really F over here. 5, 7. Turn the page. 5, 7. Write the Boolean equation, simplify the Boolean equation, draw the simplified case 4 different times. And these look like the same ones that we're back at 5.2, don't they? Are these not the same exact ones?
You went ahead and did the first one.
Slightly different.
That's the same. That's the same. Yeah, they're slightly different. All right.
And the ands and ors are swapped.
Yeah. Not, they're almost the same. All right, well, I'll just do them and not worry about it. 5, 6, 5, 6, A.
5, 7.
5, 7, A. Yep, that's what I'm doing. A, B, C. I got an OR, an AND, and an AND. And I got a W. All right, well, let's see. A or B, B, C, A or B, B, C. A, B, C, or B, B, C. A, I'm not skipping any steps this time. In the future, I'll probably skip some. A, B, B, C, A or 1, B, C. B, C, W.
BC times A equals 1.
Yeah, A or 1 is 1. So that'd be BC1, which would just be BC.
BC times 1.
All right, good enough? Next guy, the B guy. A, B, C. I'm doing an OR. I'm doing another OR. I'm doing an AND. X. A or B, B or C, A, B, A or B, B. Okay, I undistribute, and I got A, B, or A, C, or B, B, or B, C. And that gives me A, B, or A, C, or B, or B, C. I've got A, B, or A, C, or B, 1 or C. Got A, B, or A, C, or B. I got A or 1, B or AC. I got AC or B. And that's as far as I can go. And I'm done with that. And again, there's a lot of steps there that I could have skipped. I just didn't. Down to Charlie. Got A, B, C.
We have to draw that one out.
And an OR gate. The original drawing you don't necessarily have to do because you can write in your book.
No, I mean, he says.
Oh, I got to draw that out. Right. Okay, I got you.
Simplified circuit.
A, B, C. All right, so I'm going to go boom, boom, and or what is it, an X? You're right, we have to draw it out. All right, where was I? Coming down here, going there, going like that, coming up here, doing that, sneaking over here, coming into there, doing an OR, Y. All right, so I've got A or B, B, C. I got A or B, B, C. I got A or B, or A or B, and B, C. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to simplify. So I've got A or B, 1 or B, C, which is A or B. All right, draw a picture, A, B, what are we? Y. All right, number delta. A, B, C. Okay, so I got A, B, I got B, C, I got B or A, B
And you have the
or
B.
B, C.
Okay.
All right, I got B, and I got 1 or A or B or C, which is B. So I got B, Z. That's my drawing. That's all there is. All right, moving on to, yeah.
Show us, and this particular problem, how you simplify it.
Now you want, I skipped too many steps. All right, so I got B or AB or BC. All right, so I'm going to look at that, and I said B, 1 or A, BC. 1 or A is 1, so that's B or BC. I can see I can take out a B, and I have 1 or C. 1 or C is 1, I only have B left. I did it all in one because I could do that. I have, that's 1 or something. is 1. So I took a B out of all 3 of them and skipped those other steps and got there sooner. But that's what I did. 5-9. Draw the circuit, simplify the circuit, draw the simplified circuit. Alright, so 5-9A. B is AC, A, C, D, C, D. I'm going to simplify it first. No, why not? Alright, so I'm going to have AC 1 plus D plus CD. I'm going to have AC or CD. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the original circuit, A, B, C, D, boom, boom, and A, C, D, and C, D, and then I'm going to send everything through an OR. Okay. And then I'm going to do the simplified one, A, C, D. I don't need the B anymore. A, C, D, C, OR. And I'm going to look at the next one, B. W is B, C, D, C, C, D. So I'm going to simplify it again. I got B, C, D, C, D, or C, C, D. I got B, C, D, or C, D. I got B, I got C, D, C, D, 1 or B. I got CD. So for my simplified circuit, I've got C, D, boom, W. For my unsimplified circuit, I've
So
got...
not equals what?
Hmm?
The not equals, BCD, not equal to CD?
No, that's an OR. I put an equal sign there, and it was supposed to be that.
That confused me.
Yeah. And this is just a scribble here, so I'll make a bigger scribble. On the other side, I got C, D, B. 1, 2, 3, and an and. I've got, that's going to be ORed. And then I'm going to take C and D, bring it into that OR guy, and it into W. All right, that's what I'm going to do. And I got it in the whole pane too. That's pretty bad. Next one is, oh, got to turn the page.
Slide 15.
Okay, I'm at C,
Let's see.
and I've got X, B or D, A or C, A, B, C, A, B, D. All right, well, I'll draw it first. A, B, C, D. B or C or D, or A or C and A, B, D. There's no C. Where'd my C go?
D.
This guy here is really supposed to be a C. Okay, so A, B, D. A, B, D, and
B and the D were supposed to be together too.
B.
B plus D.
All right. Erase the whole damn thing.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Is that better? Everybody happy now? A, B, C, L. I need more room. Used to be better, you know, and I just write these things on the board. Use the whole whiteboard. A, B, C, D. Okay, so I need a B, and I need a D, and they need to be ORed. I need an A,
AC.
and I need a C, and they need to be ORed. Those guys need to be ANDed. Then I need
That's an ABB.
an A, a B, a D, and together, and all that has to be ORed. X.
ABD is a or, isn't it?
No, A, B, D is an AND.
And it's or
Plus.
plus, yeah.
Then this guy here is the OR that's sitting right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, so everybody's happy?
Yeah.
All right, so what we're going to do is we'll copy and paste this, and then we'll simplify it. Copy, edit, paste. All right, so I got to simplify. AB or BC or AD or CD or ABD. I'm going to look at this guy and that guy first. And I'm going to see A, B, 1 or D. BC, AD, or CD. All right, so I've got A, B, or BC, or AD, or CD. And I look at that and say, what the heck? What am I going to do with that? And so I'm gonna revert and do a Karnoff map real quick. See if I can get something out of it. So A, B, C, D. Yeah, real quick. Really quick, like a bunny. Okay, so I got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I've got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so A, B. A, B, boom, 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 boom. B, C. B, B, C. Those guys, these guys that I already have. A, D. A, D, D, and those guys that I already have. C, D, C, D. Boom, boom, right there. All right, so I see the CD, I see that guy, I see this guy, and I see that guy, which are the same guys that I have already. The Karnoff map did me no good at all. So I could not simplify it any more using a Karnoff map than I already did. All right.
I'm trying to figure the graph.
Yeah, so here's AB sitting right there.
Yep, all
There's CD sitting right there.
four. All four.
Here's BC, BC,
B, C.
we're sitting right there. BC sitting right there.
So what are you circling all, oh, okay.
Those four. And AD sitting right here. And so the Karnoff map did me no good at all to try to simplify anything. All right, well, we have those days. We got to draw the circuit yet, simplified
The
circuit.
question I have, Doug, is what's the significance of having four groupings of 4 versus groupings of 1 or 2?
Okay, so if I have a grouping of 4, A, B, C, D, I only have one thing with an X in it. If I have something that's A, B, C, I have 2 things with X in it. If I have something that's A, B, I have 4 things with X in it. If I have something that's only one thing, A, then I have 8 things with an X in it. Okay, so that's the significance there. Assuming I have a 4x4 Carnoff map, I could have a 7x7 or a 6x8 or something other Carnoff map. I don't have to be this small. As luck has it, this is as big as we get. This is only a technology class.
Yeah.
In my electrical engineering classes, the first one and only Carnoff map we ever saw was a 7x7 one. And it was small print on a big piece of paper. And I said, what the heck is going on here? It wasn't until I got to this book and started teaching these classes that it occurred to me that, hey, this really is useful. It's just that the way you guys show me how to use it, it was a piece of garbage. Anyway, so here's AB. Here's BC. Here's AD. And here's CD. That's not D. Yeah, that's D. And then all these guys are ORed together. All right, one more?
Okay.
One more. That was clear as mud, I know. E. I've got A, B, C, or C, D, or C, D, E. All right, well, I look at that grouping there and I say, well, that's A, B, C, or C, D, 1 or E. And so I've got A, B, C, or C, D, and I'm done. There's nothing else I can do with that. Simplified guy, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, AND gate. That guy, this guy, AND gate, come together, OR gate. So that's the simplified one. The unsimplified one, we didn't do delta? Yeah, we did delta. We didn't do delta? Oh. A, B, C. You're right, we didn't do delta. How come you guys had me skip delta for? All right, well, we'll do delta after this one. All right, so now I got the other guy, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, and C, D, and C, D, E, and 4. Now we got to do delta. Y, A, B, B, C, A, B, C. All right, well, we can go multiple ways, I guess, so that A, B, or B, C, 1 or A. A, B, or B, C. Can't do much more. A, B, C, A, B, and B, C, and 4. Drawing the circuit as originally done, A, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, B, A. This is where having your younger daughter's crayons will help. Why? All right, so that was 5-9. Looking at 5-15 next. Which of these circuits produce equivalent outputs? Okay, so I've got A is this guy, which is A, B, naughted. And the Well, yeah, that could be written as A naught or B naught. We could do that. And B, we have A, B, and we do like this, and we get X, and we get A or B naughted, which is A naught, B naught. So they're not the same. And then we got the C guy, so no one's the same yet. We've got A, B, and we naught it. Okay, so we got Y is A naught, B naught, naughted, which becomes A naught naught, B naught naught,
Next one's A, B.
which is A or B, which is not any of the other ones. And the D guy is, well, yeah, that was the C guy. The D guy is, the C guy in the, yeah, this guy here, A, B, Z, A, B, Z, Z is equal to A or B. So, C and D are the two that are equivalent.
Doug, on C.
Yeah.
You have your double knot, the AB,
Yeah,
A knotted, B knotted, double, and then,
yeah.
why did you change the multiplication to addition? How did they go from, was it because of that diode? You inverted it and it became,
Well, if I
Or-
have A, B naughted, De Morgan's theorem says that's A naught or B naught.
I was talking about C, because you had that.
But this is the same thing, A, B naughted. A happens to be naughted, B has to be naughted, but it's something and something naughted is going to be whatever the something is naughted or whatever the something is naughted. So there's no difference between what I did there and what I did here, except here A is just A and here the A is A naught.
I'm confused why you went from and to an or because
But I
of
went
the
in,
inverter.
but A, I went from and to an or. So in the A one, I went and to an or. So here I go from and to an or.
Okay.
If anything, I'm consistent. Haven't messed up too much.
This shit's so confusing. It's crazy.
All right, now we get to some good stuff here. See that C there next to 519? Anybody know what the C means in their book?
Sure.
Challenging, yeah. So that means that the instructor will be challenged in doing these. Okay, so I got,
You just did challenge it. This should be high.
and repeat 5-7. What does 5-7 do? Draw the circuit, apply all the rules you want to, draw the simplified circuit. Okay. Now, just to write it down is going to be challenging. A, B knotted, or C, D, the whole thing knotted, or A, C, D knot knotted. Okay, so we're going to draw the circuit first. A, B, C, D. So I got A, B knotted. I've got C, D by themselves, and then those guys get, and they get ORed.
No, that's an organ.
Yeah, I'm going to get the right one here pretty soon. I just feel it in my bones. Or knotted. Okay, and then I need a C, and a D knotted, and then I'm going to have an OR gate, and that's going to be where my W is. All right, now simplify. Okay, so I've got A, B knotted, C, D knotted, A, C, D knot knotted. All right, so that's what I got. So I've got A, B double knotted, C, D knotted, or A knot, or C knot, or D double naught. That was good. I like that. C naught or D double naught. All right, well, the AB double naughted is just AB. AB, C naught or D naught or A naught or C naught or D. I got A, B, C naught, A, B, D naught, or A naught, or C naught, or D. Now at this point, it's probably a De Morgan thing with a Karnoff map might be good. All right, so but I see an AB here, and I see an AB there, but that doesn't do me any good.
I have a question for you.
Good.
How come we got rid of the D? Where it went A, B, C, R, is it because, oh, I see you, never mind. I see you got A, B, D, never mind, I see it now.
Okay, so everything's fine?
Yeah.
All right. So now, oh, we have those funky rules, right, that we said we'd have to look at to use. So let's go back to our rule page. Yeah, hello. And it looks like we're gonna apply one if I can find it.
Yeah, 166.
Page 166, really? 166. Okay, so at 166, we have two things there on the bottom. That's A or A naught B is AB, A or B. And we have A naught or AB is A naught B. Okay, so those are the two rules. So I see that I have A naught and I have A, and my B is this B C naught. That's really the whole B over there. So I can simplify this as A naught or B C naught. Then I can do the same thing with these two, that guy and that guy, because that's that rule. So that's going to be or the A guy, which is D, or the B guy, which is A, B. Okay, and that leaves us or C left over, or C naught left over. Okay, now I can look at him and get A naught or C naught, B or 1, or D, or AB. I got A naught or C naught or D or AB. I look at him and apply the rule that I just covered up, and that's going to be A naught B. Okay, so this is A naught or B or C naught or D, and I'm done. A, B, C, D, knotted, or. Okay, so that was challenging, allegedly challenging. All right, now, if we, yeah, we don't have to do a cutoff map, so we won't. That's pretty simple. All right, so we're going to come down and do the B guy. X, A naught or B knotted. B, C knotted. B naught, C. Okay, well, we have A double naught, B naught, BC knotted. B naught C. We've got A, B naught B is 0. Right there, B naught B is 0. So all we have left over is just B naught C and we're done.
Where did that move?
Call it multi-pump.
Yeah, what's that rule is that? That is, I'm not on the right page again, so I can't find the damn rule. 166,
We're gonna have this rule chart for.
and I don't care, number 7. So it says
Number
A
seven,
dot,
A
dot,
times A naught
yeah,
is
is 0. So B naught is 0, yeah. Yeah, you want it? Yeah, I can provide it on the test.
When are we taking the test?
Syllabus says on the 17th. The 17th, so that's next week? Yeah, we have to do chapter 6 yet.
Are we going to do like a practice test or something?
Oh, I hope so. Maybe we won't have the time. Yeah, we probably will.
Are we gonna have to memorize the Boolean laws, or
No.
are we gonna be provided?
No,
already?
I'll either print out the table or put it on the board, one or the other.
Oh, yeah, you put it on the board once you-
Yeah. So, Charlie, well, if I print it out, I'll make it bigger. It's not gonna be that small. I'll use the Zoom thing. Charlie, A, B, C naught, or D, the whole thing knotted. Or A, B naught, or B, C naught, the whole thing knotted. Okay, 4-0 for writing the problem down right. Okay, so I've got A, B, C naught, knotted, D knotted, or A, B naught, knotted, B, C naught, knotted. Okay, next step. A naught, or B naught, or C double naught, D naught, or A naught, or B double naught, B naught, or C double naught.
On the second line, should there be an or between the A, B, and the C?
I mean here?
Yeah.
No. No. There's an or here, and I got it inverted, so it becomes an and. Yeah. Okay, so I've got A, D naught, A naught, D, A naught, D naught, or B naught, D naught, or C, D naught, or A naught, B naught, or A naught, C, or B naught, or B, C. Well, luckily this guy becomes 0, so that simplifies it down a whole lot, making it a lot more easier than what it is. I see absolutely nothing there that I can see right offhand. So I'm going to do and do a Karnoff map and see if I can make something out of this. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so that guy, A, D naught, A naught, A naught, D naught, there and there. Okay, I'm looking at D.
And then 0000 as well? A naught, D naught?
There and there.
There you
A naught, D naught. All right, now I'm in red.
go. No, let's see and D.
A naught, D naught, no. B naught,
B naught.
B naught, D naught, B naught, D naught, B naught, D naught. Okay. C, C, D naught. C, D naught. Ohm, 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 ohm. Okay. A naught, B naught. Ohm, 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 ohm. Guess we won't do yellow. A naught, C. A naught, C. Okay, and then there's only one more to do. B naught, B, C. B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C. Okay, so the Carnot map guy is right. And now I can go and grab him. And that would be A naught, B naught. And I can grab him. And that's going to be C, D naught. And I can grab him. What is he? B, C. And now,
How can you tell it's DC from those four?
because here's B's are 1. See those B's are 1?
Yeah.
And the C's are 1.
Okay.
That's how I can know it's BC. All right. Now I'm going to grab the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm grabbing those corners. And when I do that, that's going to be B naught, C.
So it's
B-
like a really unplanned-
B naught,
B naught,
C. Okay.
C. Okay.
Okay, so that wasn't
But you
necessarily
can go
there.
four corners, how about blackout?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
There's just places they
And
can
then-
do that.
And then I'm going to take these two and those two. So I told you this thing wraps around itself, right? So it's wrapping around itself. I can do that.
Full circle.
Okay, so this is going to be A naught, B naught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The same.
Those are the brown X's, okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went from 6 to 5 terms.
But two of the ones down there are the same,
Which two?
the first and the last.
No, they're not.
That's an A and a B naught.
No, this is a delta. A and delta. That's not a B. That's a delta, D. All right. So I'm going to forego the drawing of the thingy and move down to
So
D.
the B naught just canceled itself out because it ended up being 0, basically.
Say again?
I mean,
Oh, yeah, the B
previous-
naught went away because it was 0. Right, exactly, yeah. Okay, delta. Delta. All right, so I got Z, C or D, A, C naught D, A naught C or D naught. That guy's knotted, and the whole thing is knotted. Okay? 4-0 for drawing it? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to go C or D knotted, or A, C naught D knotted, knotted, or A naught C or D naught knotted. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. And I'm going to say C naught D naught, or A C naught D, because the two knots cancel, or A naught C knotted D double knotted. And I've got C naught D naught, or a C naught D, or a double naught, or C naught D. Okay, so I got AD, or a C naught D, or C naught D, or C naught D naught. Well, I like alphabetical order. Don't you like alphabetical order? Okay, so I can see okay, so I look at these guys here, and I say I have A, D, C naught, or 1. I look at these guys here and I have C naught, D, or D naught. Now, D or D naught's going to be 1. So I just have C naught there, and I have AD here. So I have AD or C naught, and M, and I'm done. All right, now I didn't draw the picture before, I didn't draw the picture aft, but I'm going on to 32. Going on to 32. You are kidding me, right? Oh, boy, this is simple. All right, 32, no problem. 5-32A. Draw and connect these as required. I want an OR gate from 2 NORs. A, B, NOR, a second NOR. B. An AND gate from 2 NANDs. A, B, NAND, NAND. I was okay, C.
I don't remember what's the little square on the second one here.
Oh, both guys are going into the same spot. Yeah. So I have two inputs, not a square, it's 2 wires from the same thing, yeah. An AND from several NORs. NORs. Okay, an AND from several NORs. Okay, so I'm going to go a NOR, another NOR, AB, another NOR. And that's going to give me an AND. Now I need a D, I need a NOR from several NANDs. Okay, so I'm going to go NAND, NAND, NAND. That gives me the OR. Now I'm going to invert it, and I'm going to get an OR. All right, 35. 35. Simplify and leave it in the product of square expression. Let's see. Identify each of the following Boolean equation as a product of sums or a sum of products. Okay, so we're using semantics here. So 535. Product of sums. That means I got plus, 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 product, sum. Oh, I got product of sum. So I got something with a plus sign in it, something with a plus sign in it, something with a plus sign in it. Sum of products. I got something plus something plus something, and there's no plus and there's no pluses in there. All right, so A is a sum of products. I'm adding together things that are multiplied together. B is a product of sums. I'm multiplying things together that are added. C is, so sort of like neither. So we'll go with both. It's both. That'd be good. And thank you, author. D, sum of products. E, product of sums. F, both.
Why was C both and not product?
You mean Charlie?
Yeah.
Because I'm if I were to take
I'm still just multiplying A, C, and B plus C.
but it's not the product of sums because there's only one sum, and in order to be the product of sums, you have to be plural.
Just remember products and sums, and you've got it made, whichever
Yeah.
comes first.
But if I would take Charlie and I rewrite it as A C naught B naught or A C naught C, now it's a sum of products. Yeah. So, but as written, it's both.
I got you.
But if I did that, then this becomes 0, and now I just have neither. I just have, or I'm adding 0 to it or whatever. 39. 39. Use a Karnoff map. Oh, it's about time. 5-39. Okay. A, B, C, D. I have A or B knotted. I have C or D knotted. I've got D, C or D knotted. I've got A or B, of course, every day. And then C, what are you talking about? Quit asking dumbass questions like that. All right, and then, are you talking about a good technician? Of course.
He would look at the circuit card and go, okay, not B, not C.
All right, so this is X. So X is going to be A or B knotted, C or D knotted, or B, C, now D, D, C or D knot. All right, so do I have it written right?
Only on the bottom one was B and C or D knot. Where's the C or D knot come from?
Here's the C or D knot from up there. Yeah, but this should be B or C naught. You're right. B or C naught. This becomes B or C naught.
Okay.
B or C naught. Oh, is that better?
Yes.
I'm glad you approve. All right, now maybe I can read what I have written here. So I've got A naught, B naught, C naught, D naught, or D, 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 B naught, C naught. That looks like all that I've got. And why I would want to use a Karnoff map on that, I have no idea. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Um, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. A, B, C, D knotted. Boom. Right there. D, so that's this entire row. B naught, C naught, B naught, D,
Is it,
D, B naught, C naught.
Isn't the second row, the first column, the A naught, B naught as well?
This, you mean up here?
Well,
That's
the
nothing.
first column, the second row, isn't that an A naught, and then it's also D naught? Second.
A
One down below.
naught, B naught, C naught, D naught. Yeah, that's an A naught.
That's an A naught, and you got a D naught up above, so that should be an X as well, correct?
No. Definitely not. See, there's 4 of them. A naught, B naught, C naught, D naught. There's only one X for that. There's only one X for 4 people. The only place where everything's 0 is right here. There's no other place.
Oh, okay, that's more, oh, it's not and.
So
Or it is and, it's not or. Okay.
it's B, it's delta, so it could be this row or that row, but it has to be C naught, so it has to be over here, and it has to be B naught, so it has to be that one and this one.
It has to be all of them,
Yeah.
it's an and.
All right, so now that I've done that, what am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna go and say, those two guys together, what's that? That's, A naught, B naught, C naught. And then I'm gonna go and take these two guys with those two guys and say, what's that? Well, that's gonna be B naught or, B naught, not or, little eraser, B naught, C naught D. And that's the best I can do. And that's not much of a simplification, but best I can do. Okay, well,
That's just so stinking confusing.
which one? The next
Well,
one? The one I'm looking at
Just
next?
that whole grid, I mean, just the gridding it out.
Isn't that cool? That's so
Yeah.
cool. You know, whoever did that the first time, you know, that thought about doing it that way and sold it to everybody else, you know, bill of goods.
Yeah,
You know,
whoever invented it was a genius.
just totally amazing that that could happen. Well, the issue is, how are we gonna do this one? And I guess we're gonna have to just do it, right? All right, so I got A, B, C, D. So I got A naught, I got A naught or B, I got C naught, I got B, C naught. I've got C, D, C, D.
Now, up on the top where it's A naught or B, so that's the second time A is inverted, or it's just being A?
No. But you're right, I'm missing the naught. So that's really what you're complaining about.
Yeah, is that what
Yeah.
it said?
Yeah, you're missing the naught. And that would be the good thing to complain about.
The A
Well,
will
you're,
end up being an A when you finish it out.
so we got this, and we got that, and we go through an OR. So I got A naught or B knotted or B, C knotted. Okay, and then down below, I'm coming from there, I'm coming into here, and I've got A naught or BC, B knotted, and CD, the whole thing knotted, and then I have those guys going into an OR. Okay, so now I'm gonna write it down, and I got A naught or B knotted, or BC knotted, or A naught or B knotted, CD knotted. Okay, so that's what I'm working with. I've got A double knot B knot. I've got B C knot. I've got A knot or B double knotted or CD knotted. Okay, so I got A B knot or B C knot or A knot or B or C knot or D knot. Alright, so that's what I got. Now I've got a sum of products, so now I can do a Karnoff map. Okay, A, B, C, D. I knew you'd like it. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 4-0 for drawing the map. Right, so here's A, B naught. Boom, 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 boom. Here's B, B, C naught. Boom, 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 boom. Here's A naught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here's B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I don't have to do anything else because it's equal to 1 and I'm done. All right. Looking at 42. Yeah, see, I have everything X. I got an X everywhere already. I don't need anything else.
We have an X everywhere, it's just one.
See, that's one of the first two columns.
What? Who? What are you talking about?
If you have an X in every box. it comes
If
up
I have
with
X,
one.
if I have X in every box, I'm 1. Yeah. So I got an X in every box already. I got a 1. I don't have to look at C naught or D naught.
So what happens when you have an X every box? You're in the lottery or?
Well, no, it just becomes a 1. No matter what it is, it's going to be true. Every condition, every possible combination of A, B, and C is true. Doesn't matter what
So
it
equals
is.
1.
Yeah.
Because you-
The whole
there's no
thing's
zeros.
1. Yeah, the whole thing's 1.
Okay.
I filled it all up. Now, could I get that if I were, yes. If I could do Boolean reduction on it and get to the same conclusion if I wanted to. But I'm not going, because right here, I've got this guy and this guy, whatever. I'm not going to. Where was I? Number 42. 42. The logic circuit below is implemented by making connections as shown. Okay. The circuit is not working properly. The problem is blah, blah, blah. And we're supposed to have that over there. Okay. This is called a technical problem, 5-42. All right, so I've got A and B going into a NAND. The NAND is inverted, giving me the AND. It's coming over to there, which is right, giving me the X. So it's wired correctly. Pin 1 is on. Okay, that's fine. Pin 2 is on. That's fine. Pin 3 is off. Yes, pin 3 is supposed to be off. That's right. Pin 4 is off. That's right. Pin 5 is off. That's right. Pin 6 is off. That's wrong. That's right. So pin 6 is off. Wrong. Okay, so that's what's wrong. the circuit is not working, problem connection to the IC, figure is completed using blah, 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 identify the problem. Okay, so we identified the problem. Pin 6 is wrong. Pin 6, pin 13 is okay. Pin 14 is okay. Pin 12 is okay. 11 is okay. 9 and 10 are dim because they're floating. Okay, so we've identified what was wrong. What more can we want? All right, now to do the electronic workbench problems. So where did my electronic workbench go? No, that's not electronic. There it is. I found it. Okay, so we open electronic workbench. What was the question? What's the problem?
I'm just,
I went too fast. Multi-sim problems. Version 11, chapter 5. Okay. So we want 5.1. Why can't I have 5.1? Examples, problems. Chapter 5. Oh, okay. See what E1 wants us to do. Load section 5.1a. 5.1a.
I think that's an 11 value.
Yeah, I blew that one, didn't I? Gotta go to 9. 5.1a. The circuit is an automobile warning system, blah, blah, blah. Write the Boolean equation at B. The equation of the circuit can be reduced simpler by using 2 AND gates, blah, blah, blah. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this guy's gonna buzz. All right, so I turn on the ignition. Is the door open? Headlights off. Door open. All right, so if the door open, it should be buzzing. Why are we not buzzing? How disappointed. I'm disappointed in the buzz. Okay, well, we'll do these on next week, so. Or not. Yeah. There'll be a riot. How come my bus is not going?
I was hanging it.
And watch Tuesday's video, and then everyone here that was here.
Conventions without the lecture, read the dictionary doesn't do much. It's difficult.
Yeah,
At least for me. Have a good weekend.